Kind attention to the participants of 5-day workshop on competency based learning for TGT mathematics. In this video you will see how to verify your name and other particulars for certificate writing. We will be sending a Google sheet to you through your mail, and it reads like this: Director Z@, Mumbai, for certificate writing CBL TGT Max, invitation to edit. Kindly open it. Editing permission is already been given. Okay, in this Google sheet you are seeing your names are arranged in alphabetical order of the regions, starting from Agra to Varanasi. Kindly identify your name, and you are seeing below every name one row is kept vacant. That row is for doing corrections. In this sheet you are having your name in English, your designation in English, and your name of the KV in English and region. Similarly, all the same particulars are being given in Hindi also. Your name in Hindi, designation in Hindi, name of the KV in Hindi, and region in Hindi. Now the name in English is as per the list we received from your regional office. Therefore, there may be some correction. How to do the correction? There is one row left behind your name, your designation and all. Please, if there is any change, please type. For example, I wish to type like this. After typing, please change the color to red. For example, I think it is already red over here. Suppose if it is in the black color, for example, you convert it into red. Okay, I want a change. Therefore, I am typing it. Once again, I repeat. Suppose if I have no problem, but please convert it into red. So that which means that you want a change. If there is no change in any of the entries, put a hyphen. For example, put a hyphen. For example, in the region I want to have KVS Z@, Mumbai, for example. Therefore, I am typing it. Wherever there is a change, please type it and convert the font into red color. Okay, now let us come back to Hindi ideas now. Okay, now in Hindi, if you are able, this Hindi translated by Google, therefore there may be some mistakes, but please see it. Suppose if you are able to type it with Unicode in your computer, well and good. Those who are not able to do it by Unicode, I am giving you one more option. Go to Google and type Google Input Tools and click this Google Input Tools. Click, try it out. It can be done online. In English, you select Hindi and you type your name. I want the first one. For example, I think, okay, I want the first one. Select it, copy it, come back over here and then paste it. Now it is in the red color now. Okay, well, if there is no change in your designation, no change in the name of the KV, put a dash. If there is any change, please do the change in the row which is left vacant below your name. Region name, if there is any change, then please in the remarks column you type check after your checking is over. I repeat once again. Kindly identify your name. Below your name one row is kept vacant for doing corrections. If there is any change, please do the correction below that and convert the color of the font into red. If there is no change, put one hyphen. Please come back to the last column and then kindly type checked, which means that you have seen it. No need to save it. This sheet will get automatically saved. One more kind request. Please do not do any other changes in this Google sheet because it will affect the whole data. Therefore, please do it within 1 day or 2 days so that your e-certificate can be generated at your level. Thank you, friends.